3D model represents a furry character, a female unicorn, designed as a low-poly ready-to-play model. It features 4 distinct materials and 22 PBR textures, ensuring high-quality visual fidelity. The weight painting has been executed meticulously, allowing for precise control over the character's appearance and movement. The model's joints, elbows, and knees are designed to bend and straighten naturally, enhancing the character's believability and interactivity. This makes the model suitable for a wide range of gaming applications, including RPGs, fantasy games, hyper-casual titles, and avatar creation for social media platforms such as Oculus VR and PC VR. Additionally, the model includes special features like additional bones for the face, tongue, teeth, hair, and tail hair, providing further customization options. However, some customization may be required to tailor the model to specific game mechanics or platform requirements.